Vox-style animation videos are absolutely trending right now. And here's what you should be doing. Start learning this style, begin freelancing your skills, or even launch your own channel in any niche you choose. Let me show you exactly how, using only free AI tools to create stunning Vox-style animations. And I'll walk you through every single step so you can follow along without getting lost. To kick off this tutorial, open the prompt document. You'll find it on my Telegram channel, linked in the description below. Copy the full prompt and paste it into a chatbot like DeepSeek AI. This prompt is specially engineered to train the chatbot to generate your script, image prompts, and animation prompts all at once. Now, here's where things get interesting. DeepSeek will offer you several niche options to pick from. You can choose anything you like, but keep in mind that most creators right now are flooding the crime, investigation, and history niches. So if you want to stand out and face less competition, I'd highly recommend picking something like finance, technology, health, or even philosophy. For this demo, I'll go with finance and power. DeepSeek will then suggest a handful of topics within that niche. If none of them excite you, simply ask for more ideas. It's that flexible. I'll select the first option by typing its corresponding number, and then DeepSeek will ask you about the video duration. You can choose anywhere from 1 minute all the way up to 20 minutes. I initially entered 40 seconds, but the system told me the minimum is 1 minute. So we'll go with a crisp 1-minute script for the sake of this demonstration. Now, once DeepSeek writes the full script for your chosen topic, we need to turn that text into an actual voiceover. This script is literally ready to be copied and pasted directly into any voice generation tool you prefer. I'll open Google AI Studio because it's completely free and surprisingly powerful. On the right side panel, you can select from a variety of voices: male, female, deeper, lighter, more energetic, or more calm. For a finance-related video, I'll go with a lower pitch voice because it adds a sense of authority and seriousness. Copy the script from DeepSeek, paste it into AI Studio, hit run, and within a few seconds, your voiceover is ready. Download it immediately and keep it handy because we'll need it for the editing phase. Now that we have the voiceover, it's time to generate the visuals. But before jumping into image creation, we need image prompts for each scene of the script. Go back to DeepSeek and simply type yes to generate image prompts scene by scene. What you'll get is a beautiful scene-by-scene breakdown of your script, every line matched with a description of what visual should appear on screen, and for how long. This is going to be your best friend during the editing process because it tells you exactly which visual stays till when, based on the voiceover. To actually generate the image prompts, type next and hit enter. DeepSeek will start producing detailed prompts specifically tailored for Vox-style animation in your chosen niche. In my case, it generated 26 image prompts for the entire video. Now, I'm not going to generate all 26 for this tutorial because I'm here to show you the process, not to make a full-length video. I'll generate around 15 images, which is more than enough to demonstrate everything clearly. So now we have our image prompts. Open Google Flow to generate the actual images. And this part is absolutely crucial because Flow is free and produces some of the best results I've seen for this style. Follow these exact settings. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, output to 1 image per prompt, and choose the model called Nano Banana 2. Here's where things get really efficient. Instead of pasting each prompt one by one, Flow has an amazing agent feature. This agent lets you paste all your image prompts together and generate them all in one go. Click the agent button to activate it, then type something like 15 image prompts are pasted below, and paste all your prompts at once. Hit generate and the agent will process everything without any confusion or mix-ups. Flow generated all my images perfectly in that smooth, paper-cut Vox style. However, I did notice that only 14 images came through. One generation failed. Don't panic when this happens. On the right side panel, Flow will actually explain the failure. In my case, it said the prompt directly mentioned a real historical figure, and the system couldn't generate images of real characters. But here's the brilliant part. Flow itself suggested an alternative prompt for that scene. It said, "Would you like me to generate this alternative instead?" All I had to do was say yes, and it generated the replacement image flawlessly. Now we have all the visuals, but they're static images. and we need motion to bring them to life. Go back to DeepSeek, type next, and hit enter. This time, the AI will provide a single universal motion prompt that works perfectly for all your images. This saves you from having to go back and copy a new prompt for every single scene. Head back to Flow, drag and drop your first scene image, paste that motion prompt, and then select the video generation settings. Choose the Omni Flash model, which is currently Google Gemini's best option for video generation. Set the duration to between 4 and 6 seconds to conserve your credits. Keep output to 1, and turn off the agent mode. Hit generate, and within seconds, your animated clip is ready. And here's a massive time-saving tip. While that video is generating, don't just sit and stare at the screen. Immediately drag your second scene image, paste the same motion prompt, and start generating that one too. Keep this assembly line going for all your scenes, and you'll finish in a fraction of the time. Once all clips are ready, take a moment to preview them. The animation is smooth, with that signature paper cut aesthetic that makes Vox-style so visually appealing. Now comes the organization phase, which is often overlooked but absolutely critical. Name each clip sequentially as Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, and so on. This small habit will save you hours of confusion later when you're assembling everything in your video editor. Download all these clips one by one, keeping them in a dedicated folder for easy access. For the final assembly, open CapCut. It's free, powerful, and perfect for this type of project. Import all your materials into the timeline, then drag your voiceover track first. I recommend increasing its volume slightly so it cuts through clearly over the visuals. Now bring in your scenes one at a time. Scene 1 first, then Scene 2, and so on, adjusting each clip to match the corresponding section of the voiceover. If you're ever unsure which scene belongs to which line, just pull up that scene breakdown DeepSeek generated earlier. It clearly maps every visual to every line of dialogue, so you'll never second-guess yourself. As you're editing, you'll notice some clips might be shorter than the voiceover segment they need to cover. Simply slow them down to stretch them out. Other clips might be too long, so just trim the extra frames or speed them up slightly. And here's a professional secret. For Vox-style animation, you don't need to apply flashy transitions or excessive effects. The style is clean and minimal by nature, so keep it that way. Just focus on making sure every scene syncs perfectly with the voiceover, and the flow feels natural from start to finish. Once you're satisfied, export your video at the highest resolution possible to preserve all that crisp quality, and that's it. That's exactly how you create a professional Vox-style animation video from scratch, using only free tools. I know that for many of you watching, this might have seemed incredibly difficult before you saw this breakdown. But now I hope you're realizing that it's actually a straightforward, step-by-step process that anyone can learn with a little patience and practice. If you truly found this tutorial valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It genuinely helps me create more content like this for you. And if you're curious about taking your productivity even further, I've got a video on how to automate your entire workflow using Notebook LM. It's a game changer for creators. You'll find it right on your screen now, so go ahead and click it, and I'll see you over there.
September 16th, 1992. The trading floor of the Bank of England. A dealer places a sell order for pounds sterling. The order is small, just a test. Then another sell order follows. Then another. By mid-morning, the selling is relentless. The British currency is dropping against the German mark. The central bank raises interest rates to 12%. It does not stop the fall. The Treasury authorizes a $2 billion intervention. The money vanishes into the open market. No effect. The dealers realize they are fighting a single hedge fund. George Soros is selling.